Melinda with Museum of Mortality. I received a package from Return Home the other day, friends of mine out of Auburn, Washington. And so I opened it up and I was just going to show you all of the little neat gifty things in here. Well, Return Home is the first of its kind. It is a human composting center. So they take your body and they turn you into compost. And well, one of the things that they sent was just this awesome set of pins and stickers, a t-shirt. They also sent me a flyer for TerraCon 2024 happening in February. Well, this is history in the making. I really think that the Museum of Mortality should be there to learn all about the process of becoming human compost. And I'll be able to take a tour of the facility. So if you want to, I set up a GoFundMe at the very end, and I can show you more like how you turn into this. This is what you'll end up being. Well, send me to TerraCon. I've got a GoFundMe up now. Thank you so much to all my friends at Return Home. Please think about it. See you.